Here I have Xiaomi Redmi 5A, and let me show you how to format SD card on the following device. At the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Find and select the settings. Then you have to scroll down and choose storage. Scroll down again, and here let me tap erase SD card. So here you've got information about the format. Of course, the formatting erases all data currently stored on the SD card. If you are aware of this, let's choose erase and format, and the device is removing the files on your SD card. Let's wait until the format will be done. As you can see, your SD card is ready, so let's tap done, and everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.